Hello and welcome to our channel, where we provide you with helpful tips and tricks to lead a healthy lifestyle. Today, we will be discussing some easy and delicious healthy snack ideas and recipes. Snacking is a great way to keep your energy levels up throughout the day, and with these options, you won't have to sacrifice taste for nutrition. Number 1. Fruit salad. One of the easiest and most nutritious snacks you can have is a fruit salad. You can use a variety of fruits, such as berries, kiwi, pineapple, and grapes. To add some extra flavor, you can drizzle some honey or a squeeze of lemon on top. Number 2. Yogurt bark. Another tasty snack is yogurt bark. Start by mixing some plain Greek yogurt with your favorite fruits and nuts. Then, spread the mixture out onto a baking sheet and freeze until solid. Once it's frozen, break it into pieces for a delicious and refreshing snack. Number 3. Veggie dip. If you're craving something savory, try a veggie dip. You can use carrots, celery, peppers, and cucumbers as your dippers. For the dip, mix some Greek yogurt with garlic powder, onion powder, and dill. It's a healthy and flavorful option. Number 4. Energy bites. For a quick pick-me-up, energy bites are a great option. Mix some oats, almond butter, honey, and chocolate chips together in a bowl. Then, roll the mixture into small balls and refrigerate until firm. These bites are perfect for a midday snack. Number 5. Popcorn. For a low-calorie snack option, popcorn is a great choice. You can air pop it or make it on the stove with a little bit of oil. For flavor, sprinkle some nutritional yeast or cinnamon on top. Number 6. Sweet potato chips. If you're in the mood for something crunchy, try making sweet potato chips. Slice a sweet potato thinly and place the slices on a baking sheet. Drizzle some olive oil and sprinkle some salt and pepper on top. Bake in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes or until crispy. Number 7. Hard-boiled eggs. Hard-boiled eggs are an excellent source of protein and healthy fats. You can make a batch at the beginning of the week and grab 1 or 2 for a quick snack. Sprinkle some salt and pepper on top for added flavor. Number 8. Hummus and veggies. Hummus is a delicious and healthy dip that pairs well with veggies like carrots, celery, and bell peppers. You can make your own hummus by blending chickpeas, garlic, lemon juice, and tahini in a food processor. Number 9. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber. You can mix together your favorite nuts and seeds, such as almonds, cashews, sunflower seeds, and pumpkin seeds, for a tasty and nutritious snack. Number 10. Baked apples. Baked apples are a sweet and healthy snack that's easy to make. Slice an apple into thin wedges and place them on a baking sheet. Sprinkle some cinnamon and honey on top and bake in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes or until tender. Number 11. Chia pudding. Chia seeds are high in fiber and protein, making them a great addition to any snack. Mix together chia seeds, almond milk, and honey in a jar and refrigerate overnight. In the morning, top with fresh fruit for a delicious and nutritious snack. Those are just a few more examples of healthy snack ideas and recipes. Remember, snacking can be a great way to keep your energy levels up throughout the day, but it's important to choose nutritious options. We hope you enjoyed these ideas, and don't forget to subscribe for more healthy living tips.